Hey there, my name is Chris, and for ETH New York City 2023, I put together an app called Web3backers. Now, some of you might be familiar with apps like Patreon that enable creators and content producers to create public subscriptions and monetize their content at scale. Now, the problem with this is that Patreon's its own social network. It might be able to pull in some insights from other networks, but it's not comprehensive and doesn't really cover anything that happens in Web3. Additionally, there are fees. The moment you get any sort of momentum on this platform, that could be over 10% and come out of every payment that you receive. Now, the way Web3backers works is you come in and you can select from one of a few different L1 or L2 networks, or could be added in the future, and you connect your wallet. We have preview set up, and we use this for ease of experience. When you sign in, it takes a couple moments, and when that completes, you're now connected to the application. So I'll walk through how this could be done on Neon, but this could also be used on other networks. I have some demo data that I'm able to pre-fill, but you could put whatever values you wanted in here, whatever sort of content you wanted to be able to sell, and you could add a messaging fee, and I'll show you how that works in a minute. When you click Create Profile Page, there's a few things that happen. The content that you upload essentially gets bundled and put behind a paywall that people that visit your page can essentially buy that content. And the consult fee, any user can come in and engage with you in exchange for that particular cost. When the page is created, you can both see a profile page and the page contract. There's some information that's pulled from the aggregated sources, so you can see my traffic on other sites as well as have links to the POAPs I own and some of the different NFTs. You can see the original contract that represents that page on Neon Scan, but this would also apply for other networks. And if you come back here, you can essentially buy that content that I had uploaded previously. So let's say I was interested in that tutorial. I click pay. Just give it a few moments, and the content is now able to be accessed by me and downloaded from my PFS. On the other hand as well, there's also consultations that you can buy, and if that is successful, you get opened to this channel, which opens a direct line from myself to the person that deployed the page. So this could be another content creator, it could be anybody within the Web3 space, and you can start a conversation with that person after paying. So you could ask something like, hey, could I get some help with a new project, and go from there. And this uses XMTP under the hood. As for research, this is essentially a wrapper that allows you to search any sort of ENS address for that community score, and this is generated in real time. The About page pretty much shows you how you can create your first listing and get engaged with Web3backers. As for the code itself, it's available on my GitHub. I encourage you to check it out, but that's pretty much the Web3backers project, and thanks for your time.